All right, let's talk about the Canon R100, Canon's entry-level APS-C mirrorless camera that's perfect if you're upgrading from a smartphone or want to get started with interchangeable lens photography without breaking the bank. This little guy packs a 24.1 megapixel APS-C sensor and Canon's Digi-C 8 processor, so you get real camera image quality, decent detail, nice colors, and that shallow depth character you can't get on a phone. The autofocus is surprisingly capable. Canon uses dual pixel AF with eye/face detection, which means portraits, street shots, and everyday photos get solid subject tracking. It's lightweight, compact, and super simple, ideal for travel, casual shooting, family photos, street photography, or as a first real camera. And if you want to shoot video, you get 4K video, albeit basic, and full HD for everyday clips. So who should use it? Beginners, students, travelers, hobbyists, anyone who wants easy-to-use camera power without diving into complex pro gear. Why buy it? Because it's affordable, easy to learn on, still gives a big upgrade over phone photos, and uses the RF mount so you can grow into better lenses later. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more camera gear videos.